Okay, I just got them hooked up to my little Kenter amplifier there. I don't have anything else on hand right now, so this will just have to do. And just play through a couple songs here real quick, and yeah, see how they sound. You know our love was meant to be the kind of love that lasts forever. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You should know everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I would spend them with you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I've looked around enough to know you're the one I want to go through time with. If I had a box just for wishes and dreams that had never come true, the box would be empty except for the memory of how they were answered by you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I've looked around enough to know. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, they seem to be working great. Not getting any weird vibrations. At least not that I can hear in person. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to tell much since I'm recording this with my phone. But yeah, they sound great. I mean, for old Sansui speakers. Yeah, probably just check over a few more things and get the grills
cleaned up a little bit and put back on, and the owner can come get them. I know he's got a bunch of other Sansui stuff, so he'll probably be hooking up to a Sansui amp and turntable for a pretty nice setup. So that's it for me. I'm Jesse from Iowa Audio Review. Like and subscribe if you want. If not, just enjoy whatever. I really just do these videos to, for myself, and it's mostly just to help other people out if they're working on old speakers like this. It's not a guide, but they can at least see what I did, and keep these old speakers around and keep them working. All right, later.